This DINK organization planned the vending machine that gets stuck on purpose. The vending machine is planned this way on the grounds that the beverage tastes better after it's shaken.
Oh, he's coming.
An organization in Australia is attempting to plant a wave machine on a lake so individuals can go surfing. Many nations, for example Japan, have a major issue with surrounded cameras being utilized in open bathrooms, dressing rooms to ensure that their privacy is protected. Many individuals are using cameras that find concealed cameras.
These special red lights are specifically engineered to bounce off of the reflective surface which all camera lenses have, no matter how big or small they may be.
This man found that you can pick locks by utilizing a pumpkin carver.
Better lock to start with than a master lock number 3. Let's get a tension wrench in there. And that was pretty quick. Cable lock. And that one was pretty fast as well.
Happy baking, everyone. Here we have some brioche dough, which goes into a bun divider. Push this down, divide it, and now we're going to round it for a few seconds. And voila, you have equal 36 pieces.
India has built the tallest statue in the world, which is known as the Statue of Unity, and it stands 597 meters. Statue of Unity was made to offer appreciation to what numerous individuals accept as the establishing father of modern India. This company made a device that allows you to create and animate your own hologram.
And you look at it and you interact with it, there's no clunky headgear, there's no extended setup. It's amazing.
And universal model and animation importer with a lot more plugins into other
Subscribe for more videos and thanks for watching.